As a day trader, you could be sat at your screens from 7 a.m. in the morning all the way up to 5 p.m. in the evening. Now there is another way of doing it. I still love my day trading from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. every day. But for the rest of the day, I just set up my bots to take the trades for me. I don't need to be at my trading desk all day long. What a life that is. In fact, I want to be doing other things. I want to be on the golf course. I want to be out on my bike with my family, traveling. And you can do that now and still take advantage of these fantastic trades throughout the rest of the day. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a trading bot on autopilot here that will take trades for you so you don't miss any of the fantastic trading opportunities and you don't even need to be at your desk. Let me show you the steps. I go into my trading bot interface. I create a new bot. It gives me various options here. These are the strategies. Now we've got 4 here at Trading College based on our trading software. We're adding 5 in the next couple of days. A new strategy is coming in to our interface here. It's being tested in the back end, and as soon as it's ready to be deployed, we'll put it straight in here. Now I would want to be trading the NASDAQ to the long side at the moment because we're in the markets where the long trades are making the most money. So I will go to my momentum strategy, not my reversal strategy. So I go into my momentum strategy. I give the bot a name. Call it anything you want to. Put in your account size. Put in your currency. Okay, and then I go to equities. I want to find the NASDAQ. I just highlight it once I've found it. Then I come down here. What time frame do you want to use this bot for? Well, you can use it for the 15-minute or the 1 hour for day trades. I'm going to click on here 15 minutes. I'm going to be looking for long trades, not sell signals, because the market's in an uptrend. Click on buy. I come down here. I'm going to go, this is the indicator that I'm using. Then I'm going to click on market. I'm not going to put a pending order in because when the markets are moving fast, pending orders don't get filled very often. So I want to go in. I don't want to miss the move. Come down here. I'm going to be risking 1% on this trade. Okay, you can adjust that to whatever your risk parameters are. I come into this area here. My stop loss is at the last swing, keeping it really simple, and I'm going to have a 2.5 reward. So I'm having a 2.5 to 1 risk reward ratio here. And then I'm going to start the bot training. So it's going to give me all the results it's had with this strategy, with the risk reward over the last 12 months. Now on the right hand side, I've got a bit of a checklist here. As long as these are all ticked, the bot is ready to go. Now I'm not going to start the training here. I don't need to because I've got the bots running already. So I want to go back to the dashboard. Now once you deployed the bot, it will sit over here and it'll give you all the results for that strategy over the last 12 months, 3 years, or whatever date you want to look back. Then I want to put it into live trading. So I bring it and drag it over here into live trading, and now it's trading my live account with real money, and it will take those signals on autopilot for me. I've got some already running here. £1,200 profit on this trade and strategy, and £1,500 profit on this trading strategy. All on autopilot, guys. I don't need to be at my screens. I just set it up. You can see how quick it takes just to set the bot up. Once I drag it over, it's ready to trade for me. I can now go and do other things. Now, you can see over here, it's got a green flashing light. That means it's on. It's trading live for me. And it's going to wait now for the strategy to set up. How many times have you got into trades too early? And then it stops you out, then it goes in the direction you want it to. Well, the software, the machine, the robot here won't ever do that. It will see the strategy, it will get the signal, and it will deploy that trade. It won't do it early or it won't do it late. The machine will do it at the right time. But it's us human beings that mess it up, isn't it, guys? If we're all honest, we mess trading up sometimes because we're human and we make mistakes. No more. We can just deploy the software to do the trades for us. Now, let's say the NASDAQ starts to trend in a different direction over the next couple of days. Well, I can just come into the bot here, click it here, and I can pause it. I'm not going to click it because I'm still running these bots here in a live trading environment with my live trading account. But I can decide to pause bots, put them back into training, and I can then unpause bots, put them back into live. But I could also drag bots into this middle section. Now this middle section's just signals. So what that means is when the strategy sets up and it fires the signal with the strategy, I'll get a instant message to my phone where I can look at the chart and decide whether I want to take the trade or not. So really this covers everything. And for me, I like to put it on autopilot because I like to trade, make money when I'm not sat at my screens all day long.